Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and I'm underneath our Cybertruck right now. I want to talk about underbody skid plate protection. Right above me here is our new Rival aluminum skid plate. The truck comes with this it's kind of a flimsy, thin aluminum. We've taken that off and we've installed, this is a 1/4-inch plate of alloy aluminum, very strong skid plate. It's CNC formed, it's laser cut, it's got apertures for draining out any dirt, it's got airflow through it, so it's functionally perfect when you bolt it on. It's got recessed bolt locations, you're not gonna shear off bolt heads, but ultimately what you're doing is adding some real underbody protection right here in the middle underneath the power unit. You're gonna see out to the sides, we've also added our optional skid plates on the bottom of the control arms. The factory includes this kind of like flimsy plastic on the bottom of these. This is not a skid plate, this is just an aero feature. It's not gonna have any corrosion issues, no dissimilar metal issues. This type product we've been selling on Rivians and on other trucks for a long time. It's not a problem, this stuff is really durable. This is a DIY bolt-on product. Nothing special is needed. Put your truck in extract mode, crawl underneath it, pull off the stock parts, get rid of those, bolt these on, and you're ready for some off-road fun. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We got a lot more upgrades for the Cybertruck coming your way.